Hey, good morning, everyone. It's about 11 o'clock here in Dallas, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about your list. And the reason is because I had posted earlier this week a two-part, the first part of the second part, the first part of a two-part post that I'm doing on makeupartistbiz.com, my blog essentially, about your list. And the first day I got some good engagement and then it just kind of died. But I feel like this is probably the biggest game changer that I have shared with you. And I really just want to reiterate how important your list is. And so let's just talk about what a list, what am I talking about when I say list? What is it? And it's basically a list of your business contacts. And it could be contacts that you already have. So if you're an established makeup artist, you need to go and grab all of your old call sheets. You need to grab all of your old emails and start putting this list together in an Excel sheet. And then I also gave you a freebie download that gives you some ideas of Google search terms to build a list if you are new to the business and you really don't know anybody per se just yet. And so this is actually a lot of homework. I've had to restart my business over twice. So I had a super duper duper successful business in Las Vegas, but I also had 12 years to build it. And then I had some business in Los Angeles, and then when I moved to California, I basically had to start over again because even though I was living in the Orange County area, you may as well have been 3 hours away 3 hours away from Los Angeles. So I had to build my business again. And then in a short few years, we turned around and we moved here to Dallas. And once again, I had to start my business over. And the thing that has always been a game changer for me, having a marketing and business background, is understanding a client list and how important that is. That is something that I learned in the field of marketing, prior to my makeup days. And I remember I helped launch a series of do you remember the Jerry Garcia ties in the late 90s? They were so ugly, really ugly, but they were super duper popular. Jerry Garcia from the Grateful Dead, aging myself here. Anyway, I helped launch a few different series of lines in the industry. And I did it by building a list, and it was very successful. And so this is what you need to do. You need to build a list. It's very time consuming. You're going to spend a lot of time on the computer. You're going to be Googling. You're going to be going through your old emails, but you have to do this. And the reason is you are going to start taking this list and utilizing it to make you money. And I know that it works. I definitely know that it works because I do it myself. And I just sent out some content to my list earlier this week, and I have approximately 100 contacts on this list, that's not a huge list, but it's 100 people that I know want to hear from me. And the reason I know that is because I'm using an email marketing platform. I use MailChimp because it's simple, it's easy, and it's free. I use MailChimp to send content to my list. And the reason I know that they're actually reading it is because you get a report that tells you whether or not they have opened your content and whether or not they have clicked on anything. And right now, out of approximately 100 contacts, I have an 82% open rate. What does that tell you? 82 people thought about me this week. That's a big thing because the people who do the hiring typically hire the last person that's on their mind. And I'm going to tell you another thing. I got 2 jobs, 2 calls, one I wasn't available for, 2 calls for work after mailing that list out. Game changer, I'm telling you. So please make sure that you read that article. Go to MUA Biz, grab my freebie download, sign up for my newsletters because I'm going to start limiting the information that I'm giving you guys on Facebook. It's going to start going directly to my new list, which is you guys, if you want to hear from me. So I want to start being able to send more and more tips for you to get more work. But I'm not going to share it for free all the time. I'm telling you. I'm not. Like, because this is a new business for me, you're going to see a lot of free stuff, but it's going to start going away. I'm going to get y'all addicted to it because let me tell you, this stuff works. It totally works. I can tell you, look at my book, look at my resume, go to my commercial page on my website. That's where most of my work is now. I do a lot of commercials, a lot of national commercials that you see on TV. Love doing what I do, but I really love business and marketing. And just like today, I really want to help clean up the industry because there's so much misinformation out there. There's a lot of people crossing over and misunderstanding where they belong in the business. Yes, Lisa, you sign up at my blog. You can get there through muabiz.com or makeupartistbiz.com. I have 2 domain names. So we're going to start breaking this business down little by little, bit by bit, and it's going to be information that established makeup artists can apply as well as new and up-and-coming makeup artists can apply. And it's within the rules and within the parameters of the etiquette of the game. But also, the rules have changed, you know. The way things were done almost 20 years ago when I started and the way we do things now have changed too. But I'm on top of that as well. So please make sure that you read that article, that you go and sign up, and I will give you part 2 next week, and we're going to start talking about the kind of content that you're going to send to your list to keep them engaged and keep them from unsubscribing, because we don't want to appear too spammy, we don't want to appear too salesy, so it's really important stuff. And like I said, Game Changer, go sign up, muabiz.com or makeupartistbiz.com. MUABIZ is much quicker to spell. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Have a lovely weekend. I'm going to be working this weekend, so I'm not going to be on a whole lot. I will probably post part 2 on Tuesday because I'm going to be on set all day on Monday. Okay, guys? Have a great day. Let's chat. See you on Facebook. Bye.